Hi everyone, welcome back. We're gonna plan my classic happy planner for the next week of March. So we did this last week and this week. I'm gonna plan for St. Patrick's Day. Right? Doesn't seem right. No, I'm not, because it's not St. Patrick's Day. So, change of plans. We're going to pick a sticker out of my binder and then make a spread around that. Okay, so if you're new here, this binder is just stickers that don't have a home. Most of them are just like super old stickers that I've had, like I just found in my closet and I was like, we'll make it work. These are like scraps of paper back here. Okay, so I have these and I can probably make those work. So let's see if we can find something in here that will match with them as well. These are really cute, but I feel like they're a little bit more pastel. Okay, that's definitely plenty. I'll just put that there. So I got, these came out of like a mom pack, but that'll be cute for useful stuff. This was extra in a FabFitFun box. I feel like these two, even though they're in separate sections, like they look like they came together. I'm not sure about this one either. But we're gonna try and use what we can out of these. I for sure am not gonna use all the stickers out of all of these, but we're gonna do what we're gonna do. So let's get started. Okay, so I think that's what we have. It's pretty cool. I don't know. I feel like that's a little bit much. Because I tried filling up all the white space and they don't really meld together, so then it looks jumbled, but this is what I'm gonna stick with. I really like these little like corner flower things. They're cute. Yeah, so if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. And I'll see you next week. Bye!